Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever walked into your living room and caught that musty, stale, something's not right smell, and you have no idea where it's coming from? Cooking odors, pet smells, damp corners, stuffy air. It happens to all of us, and candles and sprays only mask it for a few minutes. But what if the fix was already sitting on your windowsill? Today, I'm showing you 7 plant lives that don't just look beautiful, they actually help freshen the air and cut down on those lingering bad smells naturally. Let's get into it. Number 1. Peace Lily. The peace lily is one of the most popular air-purifying plants out there, known for its glossy, dark green leaves and elegant white blooms. To put it to work in your home, place it in a bathroom or kitchen, the 2 rooms where odors build up fastest, and keep the soil lightly moist and the leaves dusted so it can breathe properly. Give it indirect light and mist the leaves once or twice a week to keep it thriving and actively filtering the air around it. Within just a few weeks of consistent care, you'll notice the air in that room feels noticeably fresher and less stagnant. Snake plant, sometimes called mother-in-law's tongue, is famous for its tall, sword-like striped leaves and its almost indestructible nature. Set one in your bedroom or living room, water it only every 2 to 3 weeks, and let the soil dry out completely between waterings, since overwatering is the only thing that really hurts this plant. Because it releases oxygen at night instead of during the day like most plants, it's especially good at keeping bedrooms smelling clean and breathable while you sleep. Give it a month in a low-traffic corner, and you'll notice the room holds on to that just aired-out freshness far longer than before. English ivy. English ivy is a trailing vine with small, pointed, lobed leaves that looks gorgeous cascading from a hanging basket or climbing a small trellis. To use it for odor control, hang it in a spot with bright, indirect light, keep the soil evenly moist, and trim it back every few weeks so it keeps producing fresh new leaves. It's particularly effective in rooms with mold-prone dampness, like bathrooms or basements, because it's known for pulling airborne particles and musty spores out of the air as it grows. Stick with a regular watering and trimming routine for 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll start to notice that damp, musty edge in the room softening. 4. Spider plant. The spider plant is an easygoing favorite with long, arching green and white striped leaves and little babies that dangle from its stems. Place it in a hanging pot near a kitchen window or in a room that tends to trap smells. Water it once the top inch of soil feels dry, and give it bright but indirect light to keep it lush. It's a fast grower, which means it's constantly producing new leaf surface area to help refresh stale indoor air, especially in rooms with poor ventilation. Most plant lovers notice a real difference in air freshness within 2 to 3 weeks of steady care. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent with thick, spiky, gel-filled leaves that most of us already know for its skin-soothing properties, but it's also a quiet air freshener. Keep it on a sunny windowsill, water it deeply only when the soil is completely dry, and avoid letting it sit in soggy soil since its roots hate excess moisture. Because it thrives in bright light and low humidity, it works especially well in kitchens or sunrooms where cooking smells tend to linger. Give it about a month in the right spot, and you'll notice it quietly helps keep the air in that room feeling lighter. 6. Areca palm. The Areca palm brings a lush, tropical feel with its feathery, arching fronds, and it's one of the most efficient natural humidifiers among houseplants. Place it in a bright corner of your living room, water it whenever the top of the soil dries out, and wipe down the fronds occasionally to keep them dust-free and functioning at their best. Because it releases a steady stream of moisture into the air, it helps dilute and disperse stuffy, stagnant odors that build up in closed-off rooms. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll likely notice the air feeling less dry and less closed in. 7. Boston fern. Boston fern is a classic feathery-leaved plant that loves humidity and brings an instant, lush green feel to any space. Hang it in a bathroom or kitchen. Mist the fronds 2 to 3 times a week and keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged for the best results. Its dense foliage is excellent at trapping airborne particles and moisture, which makes it especially useful for tackling the kind of musty, humid smells that show up in bathrooms. Stay consistent with misting and watering for about a month, and you'll notice that damp smell replaced by a fresher, greener scent instead. And there you have it, plant lovers. 7 beautiful, easy-to-care-for plants that can genuinely help freshen up your home, room by room. The best part is you don't need all 7 at once. Even adding just 1 or 2 of these to the rooms that need it most can make a real difference over the next few weeks. If you try any of these out, I'd love to hear which one you're starting with, so drop a comment down below and let me know. And if this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy growing!